Hello. Today I will be removing these two panels for the purpose of installing a window. Now behind the panels, between the outer part of the van and the panels has silicone, so I've got to remove the silicone, and I'm using an insulation cutting knife to do that with. So get the silicone removed. That will allow me to take a I forgot what you call this thing. If I can take a square and put that, insert that in right here. Now the purpose of the square is to protect the outside of the van, because when I cut this off, I don't want to cut through to the outside of the van. So to hold that square in place, I'm going to put some tape on it. Put another piece here for good measure. Because the last thing that I want to happen would be to accidentally grind through to the outside of the van. Already got it marked off. The outside is protected with the trowel. Now I'm ready to start cutting. I'll make about 4 passes. The first pass kind of marked where I want to grind, and then I'll make about 3 more passes before it breaks through. That's it. Okay, that does it. Now we have the panel cut at the top and the bottom. Remove the square out of the way, and now I just need to cut this loose, cut the silicone so it will. Okay. Got it on that side. Now let me get it on the other side. Voila! Okay, that's one of the panels removed. Now I'll go through the same process, remove this panel, and then I'll be ready to install the window.